You know just what you do to me. Like my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.
A lot of people love to wear their braids for as long as 1 month, 8 weeks, or even 2 months because they believe that their hair is more protected. And because of the low to zero manipulation, their hair or their length is well retained. But in real note, you are causing more harm to your hair than good if you wear your braids that long without washing them. Your hair strands will be clogged by the dirt and all the products build up used in your hair, and that will weigh the hair down and cause more breakage, and this is why your length is not retained in protective style. These micro locks have been in my hair for a month now, or rather 4 weeks, and at this point I'll be washing it using this Avila Black African shampoo. It is a clarifying shampoo, so it cuts through oils and product buildup very easily, and it leaves your hair fresh, clean, and also takes away that smell that is caused by sweat, dirt, and accumulation of products. Yes, your hair will smell terribly if your hair is in for that long without you washing them. Now you want to make sure, this is for my low porosity girls, you want to make sure that the water enters your hair strands very well before you use your shampoo. This will make it easy for you to like work in the shampoo, and then it will also make the shampoo lather a lot better, and then you end up using lesser product. So right here I am just going to work my way in with the shampoo just to make sure that it actually enters every part of my hair. I'm going to start with the scalp just because that is where I use most of my products. It goes in, I use oils, I use leave-in conditioners and a lot of other products like that, and most of them go into my scalp. And of course the scalp is the one producing all the oils and taking in all that moisture and all the products and everything. So I want to make sure that my scalp is clean, and then after that I'll just get into the strands of the lock. Now I do have a tutorial of how I made this lock, or if you call it twist, anyhow, anything you call it is fine. I do have a tutorial of it on my channel already, and that video is doing really well thanks to you guys. I'm going to link it in the description box, and I'll also put it at the end of this video if you would love to see it. So yeah, I'm just going in right now with my shampoo into the strands or the length of my hair, just so that that one is also very clean. And then after that I'm going to just rinse it out, and then after I rinse out, I want to make sure that I'm rinsing it out thoroughly. Now you want to make sure that you are using a clarifying shampoo for this process. The Avila shampoo is really affordable. You can get it anywhere you are. I'm just going to leave links to how you can get it in the description box. Meanwhile, this video is not sponsored by them. If you've been watching my videos, you know that this is the products that I use for my hair and my skin. They are 100% natural products, and it works really well for my skin and my hair as well. So why keep such a beautiful product? Now this is what it is looking like after the first wash. Of course you can see all that product buildup that just gathered at that end of the hair, and I'm just going to go over it again to wash, and this time I'm going to be even thorough about the washing. That first one is like preamble, the first washing is just like a preamble, and then right now I'm just going to go ahead and wash again. Now I cannot really tell you how many times to wash your hair. It just depends on how you feel. After the 2 times that you've washed it, does your hair feel clean? For me, sometimes I go in 3 times or 2 times. It just depends on how much product buildup I already have in my hair. For this video I just washed my hair 2 times and it was clean. I felt that it was clean and it was really beautiful at the end of it. So yeah, I decided that I would just go ahead to do a relocking video for you guys after I finished washing my hair, and I'm just going to leave a video of how the whole thing went at the end of this video so that you can see how it is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dab my hair a little bit, and then after that I'm going to go in with the Avila organic conditioner. Now one thing I love about this conditioner is the sleep. Like, you know how I've used a whole lot of conditioners, in case you don't know, I've used a lot, and then when you use it in your hair, after a while it just dries up and then your hair becomes dry. This conditioner feels like butter. It's as if it has oil in it, so even after the conditioner dries up or you've used it in your hair for like say the whole day, you still feel that oiliness in your hair, and that is one thing that I love so much. I kind of did like a conditioner test at a point in my salon. In case you don't know, I do have a salon in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria, and I did this test on one of my clients. I used another conditioner and I used this Avila conditioner, and then when I checked it around 10 minutes later, was it up to 10 minutes? I really don't remember how long it took, but I tried it again. I tried to like see the result of both conditioners, and then I realized that one conditioner had already dried up. It was as if the hair was like really really dry, crunchy and hard, and then the Avila was still really really moisturized. Like I just really really love it. So yeah, I'm out of the bathroom now. I'm done washing my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and oil my hair using the Avila oil. I just mixed coconut oil, frankincense and tea tree oil together for this mix, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that my hair is fully dry. Now if you are washing your hair like this in the shower, you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry when you are done doing that, because it is really really important, else your hair will smell because it is not fully dry. Now this is the part where I decided that I was just going to make a video of how I'm going to relock my hair, and just to tell you up front, it did not go well at all. Now this is not the first time I am going to refresh my locks or my braids. This is in fact the second time. The first time it actually did turn out right, but this one it was just really above me, and I would just really advise that you just go to a salon to do this one, because I really did not have the patience, and the hair is so tiny that it would take a whole lot of time, and I did not just have the strength for that. Now I'm just using the shine and jam to just brush my hair so that I can get a clean pattern, and then I am going to like roll up each strand before I use the crochet hook. Now I would advise that you get the smaller crochet hook. This one is not very very convenient, so I would advise that you get the smaller crochet hook. There's this small one that they use for wigs. Yes, that is a better option. That is perfect. Now you can see that I was struggling with this one because it was just entering other strands, and I was picking hair from other strands of hair, and it was just really really ghetto. I did not have the energy for that at all, but I'm just still going to show you how to do it. If you love to do it by yourself, you want to make sure that you are following the pattern of the hair that you made, and then you want to make sure that it is slipping down. You can see that all the passes that I'm doing through the crochet, through the strand of hair, is falling down, because if you make it go to the other side of your hair that is not the actual side that the hair should fall to, you are going to notice a bump in your hair. That was the mistake I made when I did the first relocking or refreshing that I did, and I decided to change it for this one. And for the 3 strands that I did notice that it was falling naturally. It was not looking bumpy at all. Now I just kept trying, and this was the third try. At this third try I was like, you know what, I am so not doing this. I am not doing this at all. I don't have the energy to do it. So I decided to just cover up all the stuff that I used. As you can see, I am giving you guys side eye. I did not have the energy to do it at all, and then I just decided to like take everything out and then just rock my hair as it is. For this, after washing it like this, you can still rock it as long as you want. Nobody's going to arrest you for wearing your lock, even though it is not looking as neat as should be. But if you want it to look neat, I would really really advise that you just go to a salon to do it like professionally, or if you have the energy and the strength to do it, then go for it. I did not have the energy and the strength to do it, and this is what it is looking like. My roots are clean, everything is beautiful, and yeah, I know that my hair is safe and my length can be retained just by washing my hair. So that is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.